Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss, equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires, 2-inch lift kit, Z71 package, integrated brake controller, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, you're going to have this all-black interior with paneling cup holder storage on the bottom, right next to the speakers. We'll come up here to the power locks, mirrors, windows, with the chrome accent handle. Onto the seats, you're going to have this 40-20-40 bench split seat, with driver adjustable lumbar. Left side, you'll have your 2 and 4 wheel, as well as your lighting controls right next to it. Just on the steering wheel, you got the black bow tie, cruise control, and forward collision on the left. For the odometer, you get all analog. You access through this dial here, and it's going to give you vehicle information, your gauges, trip info, follow the distance, trailer brake, and all that fun stuff. Push to start, classic column truck shifter. Onto the infotainment, pretty straightforward. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. You can sign up for OnStar if you choose, and you can see your backup camera with hitch guidance as well. Climate controls on the bottom. Next to that will be your lane keep assist, auto stop, and hill descent control with the integrated brake controller, 2 USB ports, and an AC wall charger. Center console, lots of extra storage up top. Just for the seat. Also got extra storage on the bottom. Get it back down, just find the tab, pull it, goes right back down. Passenger side's manually adjustable. Got the chrome accent again with the double glove box. Speakers and vents up top, some storage, and then here you can access your reading lamps and your OnStar SOS. You got these blacked out 18-inch wheels on Goodyear Territory tires. Like I said, the Z71 package with the black hood scoop, the black mirror caps and door handles as well, with the Trail Boss badging in the back, the black corner step bumper with the dual exhaust, trailer hitch and fifth wheel just at the bottom, got the black lettering. You got the 2 LED lamps with an AC wall charger, around 12 bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, you got more of that paneling and storage next to the speakers, power window, the chrome accent handle again. Off in the back, pretty decent leg room, storage behind the passenger driver's side with rear ventilation and USB ports, as well as you got storage under the seats, lamps up top, and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom Trail Boss, equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as a 2-inch lift kit, integrated brake controller, lane keep assist, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.